yucky teeth. You have to brush.
I love to brush my teeth. Oh. Oh, well, let's give you some toothpaste. Okay.
I don't please have toothpaste.
There we go. Now go eat. Brush, brush, brush. Sit in Daddy's lap. Go eat. Now go ah. Good. Now you do it. Go eat. Now go ah. All the way in the back. All the way in the back. Good. Okay, now go ah. We turn the toothbrush upside down. Go ah. Yeah. Go yay.
Yay!
Hi-ya. Okay, go E. Good. All right, you do it. Okay. Get the back teeth. Go ah. Good. Now this side. Go ah. Now again. Good. Now go ah. And now go E. Now one more time on this side. Ah. E. Okay. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Okay.
I sit on my tears.
Yes. All right, so now we need to rinse. Turn on the water. And get your cup. Put some water in it.
Who broke that one?
I know. Put some water in it. And then swish it around in your mouth. And then spit it out. Again. Lean over and spit it out. Okay. Let me see those teeth now. Let's see. Go E. Ah. They look very clean.